Hi, my name is Roger. Today I'm going to answer a question from a viewer from Sahajan Khan. And Sahajan Khan would like to know how to adjust the BPM speed of the SP-808 when using a CD player. So I'm going to show how to use the so-called VARI-Pitch control. And I hope this is the answer you need. So here we go. So in this video I'm going to show you how to beat match the SP-808 in real time with another record. In the case of Sahajan, he asked me to beat match the SP-808 with a CD player. Well, I will explain how to do it. Let me start with this sample. I want to know the BPM of this sample. I go to Sample Bank, I go to Set Sample Parameters, and I see here 126 BPM. So this beat is 126 BPM. Now I want to set the tempo of the SP-808 to this sample. Here it says 120 BPM. So the overall BPM of the SP-808 at this moment is 128. I will change that. How? I go to Song, Tempo Map, and then I can dial here to 126, which is simple. Easy. What I also can do is push the sample, and the SP-808 asks for changing it to the BPM of this sample pad. Tempo 126, are you sure? Yes. This one is 78, 125, 120, but we go now with 126. So the tempo map is adjusted to this sample. Why is this important? Well, I think it's important because of the effects. When you use a delay based on tempo, the tempo is always based on the BPM of the 808 and not on the sample. So if I use now a delay with tempo map, then it's nice in sync. If I had here 120 BPM, then it's not nice in sync because the delay is adjusted to the BPM of the SP-808. Okay, so we got this one. Now I'll show you how to adjust this BPM real time. It's called VARI-Pitch. I push this button, VARI-Pitch. Then I do Shift BPM Tune. It's the normal beat. If we change this, we see the BPM changing. .8. And let me give you an example with the sample. So now you can already adjust this sample to another beat. So I've got there a record, and I'm going to adjust the beat of the SP-808 with that record. So what we do first, I would like to know the BPM of this record. I show you how to know it. Here is step. I do shift step. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's around 108, between 108, 112. Let's say 111. Again. Okay. Something like this. So if I go to VARI-Pitch, and when I adjust this to 111, this beat should be around the right BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. Called you on the phone, no one's home. Last night a DJ saved my life. Last night a DJ saved my life from a broken heart. Last night a DJ saved my life. Last night a DJ saved my life with a song. So, okay, it's not perfect, it's just an example. the most important thing was to show you how to use the BPM tune. So it's like this. Of course, if you already know the BPM of your record, if you already know the BPM of your music, this makes it better possible to beat match. I just wanted to show you how to use the tab function to know the BPM of an external record with Shift 2, and how to use the VARI-Pitch, and how to adjust the tempo map. So important to know is, as you can see, I only can go down. I can't go up. This has to do with the fact that I'm sampling in 44.1 kilohertz. If I format to 32 kilohertz, I also can adjust the VARI-Pitch up, not only down, because it's 44.1. Do I choose for 32? Like this, system disk, format disk to 32. When I choose for 32, then I can also pitch up. But with 41.1, I only can pitch down. So I hope this was the right answer for you, Sajan. If not, I hope you have something learned from this this simple session. And thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, well, please subscribe, and I will keep on creating videos for all the viewers on YouTube. So thank you, and see you next time. Bye bye.